No? Bago pa lang mangyari yung pwede mangyari, ay proactive ka. For example, ito. Mayroong gate yan. Alam mo na, bukas. So, dapat proactive ka. Anong gagawin? Hindi isara mo. Diba? Very simple. One step ahead. Then, action items including reviewing, the implementation, documentation, conducting regular audit, providing training session. Yan. Kaya nga, lagi yung sinasabi, training. Kailangan natin sa training is clear. Okay? Practice, maintain the open communication with local law enforcement agency. Now, sa pag-investigation natin, meron tayong tinatawag na 3 I's. I of investigation. Ano yun? Number 1 is information. Okay? Gathering and collecting really vast information about the incident or situation. Identify who. I-identify natin sino. What? Ano nangyari? Where? Saan? When? Kailan? And why? Bakit nangyari ang insidente? Then, collecting evidence sa physical evidence, witness, statement or documentation, reviewing security footage done, and other relevant records, if necessary. Ito yung last resort natin. Kaya kapag, for example, mayroon nangyari sa inyo, huwag kagad na diretso kagad, may CCTV naman eh. Wow. Ito dapat muna ang first step natin. Alamin natin, bakit nangyari